Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm a starter but I have good luck.
My sword cuts swift and true.
Any conflict can be resolved through Arlen Legion.
Let's know you said ready for a juicy battle.
Kamakailan lang din yung nakarang araw.
Dalawang
enforcer.
I get awakened dark cacao.
Video tanggal sila. Tago. Kinukuha nila yung truck na. Tapos yung mga dumadaan sa ay hinihinto pa lang pedestrian. Yun, sige, videoan nyo yung mga
Slow.
kaya
I will not falter.
Ay.
Do your feel lighter?
Binibigyan sila.
hindi yung mga kunwari
View.
sa views.
That's all. Goodbye guys.